Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on CoolWallet. To change your currency on CoolWallet, first of all tap open the CoolWallet application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're inside the home page, and from the home page tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, click on Fiat Currency Switcher. Choose a different fiat currency you want to change to from the list. Simply tap on any one and you will then be able to change your fiat currency on your CoolWallet application. Your wallet's cryptocurrency balances will now be displayed in terms of the fiat currency you selected. So that's how you change the currency display on the CoolWallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks.